Hello everyone. In continuation to our topic, problems of trains, this is part 2 and question number 6. A jogger running at 9 km per hour alongside a railway track in 240 meters ahead of the engine of a 120 meters long train running at 45 km per hour in the same direction. In how much time will the train pass the jogger? So first we will start with identifying the speed, relative speed of the train. Speed of train relative to jogger. That will be 45 minus 9 kilometer per hour, which is 36 kilometer per hour. So now, since everything is in options are given in seconds, we'll convert this into meters per second. 36 into 5 by 18. That will give us 10 meters per second. Now, distance to be covered. Distance to be covered will be, railway track is 240 meters plus 120 meters, which will give us 360 meters. Therefore, required time will be distance divided by speed, that is 360 divided by 10. So we get 36 seconds as the answer to this. So this is option C. Let us move on to the next question. Question number 7. A goods train runs at the speed of 72 km per hour and crosses a 250 long platform in 26 seconds. What is the length of the goods train? So let the length of the goods train equal to L meter. Now, total distance covered will be 250 meter long platform plus the length of the train. So this much of meters. Let us call that as D. Now, S is speed, that is given as 72 kilometer per hour. We'll convert that into meters per second. So 72 into 5 by 18 meters per second. And if we calculate that, we will get 20 meters per second. So time given in the question is 26 seconds. So which means S, which is equal to D divided by T, will be 20 equal to 250 plus L divided by 26. Cross multiplying, we get 520 equal to 250 plus L, means L is 520 minus 250. We get 270 meter. So that is option D. Let us move on to the next one. Question number 8. Two trains, 140 meter long and 160 meter long, run at the speed of 60 km per hour and 40 km per hour, respectively, in opposite directions on parallel tracks. The time in seconds which they take to cross each other is what? So let us take the relative speed Since they are moving opposite direction, we will be adding the speed 140 plus 160. I'm sorry, not 140, 60 and 40. 60 and 40 kilometer per hour, which is 100 kilometer per hour. Let us convert that into meters per second. 100 into 5 by 18 meters per second. That will be simplified to 250 by 9 meters per second. Now, distance covered in crossing each other is equal to 140 plus 160 meter, which is 300 meter. So therefore, we need to find out the required time is equal to the distance, which is 300 meter, divided by speed. Speed is 250 by 9 meters per second. That is 300 multiplied by 9 divided by 250 meters per second. So sorry, only seconds will come. That will give us 10.8 seconds. So option is D. Let us move on to the last question, which is 9th question. A train 110 meters long is running with a speed of 60 km per hour. In what time will it pass a man who is running at 6 km per hour in the direction opposite to that in which the train is going? So speed of train relative to man, they are moving in the opposite, which means 60 plus 6 km per hour. Let us convert that into meters per second. So 66 multiplied by 5 by 18 meters per second. That will give us 55 by 3 meters per second. Now, in what time? So time taken to pass the man will be the distance divided by the speed. Distance is that the train's length, which is 110 meter divided by 55 by 3, which will give us 110 by 55 into 3. That will give you 6 seconds. So that is the solution. So the option is B.